On a hot, bustling summer day in July 2025, the digital highways of YouTube come alive as an unexpected force barrels into action. Captain Big Rig Butter Stunts, renowned for his daring trading strategies, and his clever Chihuahua Molehole are on a mission like no other. Their objective: to clear the stops lurking beneath key support levels, creating the perfect environment for futures floor traders to seize long positions. As Captain Butterstunts and Molehole clear out the stops, futures floor traders closely monitor the NQ. Amidst steady volumes and cautious optimism, they strike as soon as Captain Butterstunts gives the thumbs up. Hoorah, mother truckers! P.S. Hey, Skeletor. I got your chocolate salty balls. Stay tuned for episode 2, dropping on Monday, July 21st, where Joker and Woodchip try to steal back Skeletor's balls when Butters is sleeping. And tune in to the Futures Floor live stream starting at 9:15 a.m. every morning. Co-streaming daily with Omnius Trades and a 5-man support crew more unhinged than a trader on tilt. Woodchip, bringing sawdust, pure glory, and unhinged stream energy to the squad. Joker, the only man I know who lights a candle for the algo and swears it whispers his entry levels every morning. Butters Stunts. Nothing says prop firm whore like a blue semi with Molehole riding shotgun and that wholesome chaos grin. Mike Stunts, clearly the evil Knievel of the trading world, launching grenades, grand slam trades, and dirt bikes with equal recklessness. And Skeletor, whose backpack's probably packed with stolen prop firm account numbers and a jar of his chocolate salty balls. Don't forget, we're live at 9:15 a.m. Be there, or we'll let Butters trade your account. Oh, and bring your sense of humor, because we trade, we laugh, and we lose. Peace out.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Let's see what we have to deal with today. Start off with the 30-minute chart. We took out the Asia session highs. Wow, looks strong day today. Wow, 23,146. Woohoo. 240-minute, 4-hour chart. Broke above that little range we were trading in. The one that I marked off in on the daily chart that's not there anymore. Well, at least the text is still there. So what did I mark off? I marked off, oh, circle. Hold on, wrong one. Delete. What is it? Regional. Boom, 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 boom. Control F12. That's what I thought I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just get under the bodies right there. So yeah, it looks like we're breaking out of this little consolidation. Let's make it, yeah. I'll move it over a little bit just to see that candle, to see the candle's wick. Really? It pins one to the next, so then let's go out one more. There we go. So we can see that we're breaking out of that. Let's take a look at, wait, what's happening over here? All messy. What is this? Let me see if I can fix that. Kind of change. There we go. NQ's up 106 points. So do we have the ability to do a gap fill? We'll have to think about that. 192, we're already down 60 points, so we're up as much as 036, 193, we're up as much as 160 points. Wow, my mouse is going bananas today. Gold, what's gold doing? Gold is up. Gold is also messy. Gold is up about 10 bucks today, 33.62. We'll put up a gold chart. Maybe we'll be able to get into some gold trades. Crude, messy, fix it. Crude is flat on the day. And last but not least, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down almost $3,000. We got back below 120, got us almost as high as 125, and we're down to 117. Bitcoin right now, wasn't on the switch over, but the bullish momentum line is above the bearish momentum line on the 1 minute chart. So given that, if I were to get a signal and the rank goes down below, I would take it. Spread is only 20 bucks, so that's not so bad. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, gold, gold. A bearish momentum line. Took control at 643. What did we get at 643? We kind of just traded down. We only got one signal to the downside. And NQ, which we don't have a lot of. NQ, same thing at 745. Bearish momentum took over. What did we get at 745? We got a couple of good trades to the downside. And the strategy had a solid morning. Killed it, but I didn't run it overnight. Look at this, just a bunch of winners. Oh no, there's a couple of losers. Starting from 1 in the morning, a nice stretched out winner. Okay, a loser. And a nice big winner. A nice loser. Sorry, another nice winner. This is short. This is long. A really good winner. Then short. Then long. Then short. And now, sorry, not short. Yeah, it's above short. And now long. And the long was a loser. So overnight, kind of killed it, but I didn't have it running, so we don't get to see the numbers. It runs on Sim 101, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to reset Sim 101. Oh, I hope that doesn't cause me too much of a, yeah, it might. Everything's going to disappear. Maybe we can just remember what it's at. Oh, I didn't open my Take Profit Trader account. And let's get BULENOX open. What time is it? 8:30. 8:26 to be exact. Okay, time is there on my thing. Perfect. Ah, triggered. Okay, so triggered long. I would have liked to take this trade. Good morning, Coach Fred. Copy. Good morning, Coach Fred. I don't have a meme for you. Got one for Dominic today, but don't have a meme for you. Control V. What's the one thing that represents you the most? Like Mike Stunts, it's his bike. Dominic, she said it's hair cutting. Okay. There's your meme. I don't want any attention. Blocking your face and your shirt name. Only you and me are going to know who it is. It won't even have your name on your shirt. Forget it. See, it only takes a second. It only takes one sentence for me to pick up on something. Now the only thing is, when I play it, you can't comment. You can't do LOL because then they'll know it's about you. You'd have to say something like, who's that? Okay, I kind of want to take this trade. Oh, I got to set up my Apex trade copier for the BULENOX accounts. I got to keep my fingers crossed. Hey, Dominique. Good morning, Dominique. Let's try. Start at the top. And that's right. Okay, well, put it on positions. We'll make sure that everything is trading. We got a little bit of a news spike here. Sellers are high. Whoa. Slow it down. This is why you don't run a bot. Do you guys even see that? Yeah, you do. That's why you don't run a bot when there's news. But it's on sim, so I don't really care. But did you see that craziness? Oh, I got to change that. I think it's day 7. What are we, Tuesday? Yeah, it's day 7. Okay, let's get on that. So I don't even know what happened there. I think we were down 77, sorry, about 700 something. So after all that craziness, it made $80. I'm sure if it was actually trading an account, it probably would have lost 3,000. That would have been my guess. Don't ever get caught in a news event. Okay, do we do standard behavior? Is that it now? Spike up, spike right back down. I don't know. I can't say that's standard behavior, though. Actually, what happens, sometimes we come back down, and sometimes we drift lower about 40% of the spike, and then we make new highs. So, anybody's guess? What size do I want to trade? 3 lot, 2 lot, start. Let's try 2 lot scalp butter bands. What's my stop at? 83, 7 points. Oop, I should be out already. I did get stopped out. Dominique, buyers in. Yep, buyers in. Sounds like in wartime when grenade, when everyone's screaming. Okay, let's try another butter bands. Butter bands is long. Really? Butter bands has a take profit? I may open it up a bit. I can't really open it up too much. 87 and 80, so 84 maybe add. 83 add. Oops, no. Mouse click error. Oof, that was close. No, doesn't want to go up. Okay. Why did I call it butter bands if it's 7? And how much is butter bands? Butter bands has a 10-point stop. See, butter bands didn't stop out yet. Two lot scalp butter bands. Let me see what the problem is. It shouldn't be 28 butter bands V2. It's 10. Did it get in late? Okay, well, we'll make it 40. Save template. Save. Yes. Okay. Let's try it again. I'm a glutton for punishment. But now the stop is at 77. I'm in at 81. The real stop, it's on the lower chart. Hopefully we go back up. Let's go. Let me add to this. Hopefully we have more than one blue bar. One, no. Let's go. Come on, buyers. Actually, yeah. I got 52% showing a bias towards the buy side. So close. I'm gonna have to hit close, huh? Maybe not. Maybe yes. Close, okay. Watch the next one. What do we got? 13 points of volatility on the 30 points, 13 points of range on the 1 minute candles. Oh, I didn't check if Woodchip posted his results. Streaming. Woodchip, me, 953 area, 330 saves me. Nope, I don't have Woodchip's numbers. I read those. Okay. We wait. Let's go. Form a bearish bar. Very good. Break lower. Actually, I'll put it over the high of the previous bar. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Stretch. Take the risk off the trade. Hey, what happened to my other take profit? Okay, we'll let this one be a runner. Hopefully we can see some momentum down. But I'll take 58. Buy limit down there. Let's see what happens. And 65, 75, 10 points. I'll move my stop just to a little bit better than break even. Good enough for me. Good enough for me on that one. Still figuring out the butter band system anyway, so took a couple of losses there. Ugh. Gonna be a long day. Oof. Gold. What's gold doing? Let's go back to take a quick look at gold. Up $3. Sellers in control.
Order submitted.
That's my BULENOX account on my laptop. Didn't get filled. Tried for a long. So are we going to run and take out the highs, data highs? It's a possibility. Let's see if we get another bullish bar here. We get another bullish bar. That would be a good sign. Make a little bull flag here. A 1 bar bull flag, 20 more seconds for the candle to close. Slow down. Well, that really sucks. Yeah, let's get up to 75. Not too far away. Looks like it's trying. So we wait. Maybe we can see a nice extension candle now to the upside, break over 80. Although it's saying sellers, bearish momentum has gotten over the bullish momentum. Maybe it's best to be cautious. I still think we're going to push higher. I think we could see a quick move to 80. Let's go. 75. I got my take profits at 77. No. Push. Don't come all the way back down. Yeah, let's go back up. Now's your chance. Get it in. Get in while it's cheap. Oh, I didn't do my sound test in the morning. Sorry about that. I assume you guys can hear me, but I always like to check. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1. Perfect. All good on the sound check. Can't hear you. Liar. I just did a sound test. If you can't hear me, it's
Order submitted.
it's yours. It's yours. It's on your end. Good morning. Good morning. Good try. Everyone's driving me nuts with that. Can't hear you. You're on mute. For a guy that's on mute almost all the time. It's not a funny joke. Okay, so let's see what the good morning, Mike Stunts. Stopping in to say hi. Got things to do. Good morning. Dominic, are you still in the room? Don't go anywhere, Mike. Give me just a sec. Dominic, you still in the room? Dominic? Dominic? Perfect. There you go. We got your meme. Good morning, James. James, I can't go for I'm fixing my work on Night Trader. I can't go anywhere today. No coffee, nothing. I got the workers coming over on the deck. Unfortunately for me, that was a nice move. I expected to go to 80 and it went all the way up to 87. Coal in the bin.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order submitted. Order submitted. That's not cool. It's terrible. What can you do? I couldn't even tell you to come over. We hang out on the deck because they're going to be working on the deck. Okay, come on, let's push higher. Where's my first take profit at 98.50? Really? We got to get all the way up there. I think we're going to do it. Brought one in a little closer. Let's go, push. There we go. I'll move my stop to about there. 1, 2, 3. Let's there. Good enough. If you come down to there, you can have me. You can take me out. Spreads 50 cents, 3/4. Actually, a quarter, 3/4. I would say. They're all flashing. That was a nice trade on the butter bands. How was the butter bands doing? I didn't reset it, but it did great overnight. I didn't run it overnight either. If you want to just take a quick look, go to about 1 in the morning. Boom, 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 boom. 1 in the morning over here. So that was a long winner, short loser, short loser, short loser. But wait. That would have been its above, short winner, long loser, long loser, long winner, short winner, long for a nice winner, short winner, long winner, short winner, long loser. And what's this one? Then news. News was nuts. You can't judge by news anything. Although I had it running in the news. That's just stupid. And then we had I think the next trade after the news, this was still a weird trade, but that would have been a long, that would have been a loser. And this was a long and a really nice big winner. Overall, if I would have been running it overnight, it probably would have been ahead quite a bit because the winners are a lot larger than the losers. And that would look like that was more than 50% winners. Like this winner over here goes 88, entry 65, so it's a 23-point winner. But a loser is 86, it's 10 points, I think, 76, 10 points. So yeah, it's more than 2 to 1. And now we're going to take a short, short loser. Whoa, my mics are not working well. I tried to say buyers. Sellers are in control. Buyers. Yeah, right now it looks like there's a little bit more bullish momentum. Like I said, we had 2 scenarios. After the data spike, always expect that kind of retrace, about 40-50%. And then's the question. Do you make your play to revisit the data spike high or to revisit the data spike low? In this case, we revisited the high. In this case, it was a continuation trade off the retrace. That was the right thing to do. Let me take a look again at gold. Gold up $5. Oh, yeah. And Bitcoin, too many things to trade. Look at those moves on Bitcoin though, eh? So smooth. Very interesting, Bitcoin. Only 8 points momentum. 8-point range in the 1 minute candles. Nothing spectacular, but yet again, we're getting some really good continuation moves. Very surprising. Well, I'll take a 3 lot here, short at 03. Stop is 0875, just like you see on the screen below. It's kind of a butter band system. What am I using now? The ATM3. It's a mix of the butter bands with mix of the butter bands with the ATM, the automatic trade manager that I use for my scalping on my on the Renkos. Let's go. Reach lower. Push. One more. There you go. Let's move the stop down to here or up to here. And let's see if we can break higher. Lower. Love to hear the cha-ching. My favorite sound in the morning. Really? That's an interesting pattern. One more push. Come on. Push. Let's go lower. I want them to be. Let's go. Hit that TP. Ding, ding. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell. Ring my bell. Okay, not a great, there we go. A little bit. 74 is good for the start of the day. Butterbands is hanging on to another winner here. Thank you, Lulix, for that trade idea. Gold's coming off. Butterband's covered. What's the wow there, Dominic? Did you catch a good one? Did you snag a good trade? Butterband's trying to get long. Interesting. Buyers and sellers, they're struggling. Yeah. I'll take a small trade here, but if it turns bearish, I'm out. Come on, give it a little bit of a push up. Improve my price. Okay, let's go. Let's go up. Get up to 96. Let's get over 23,200 right now. Now is your chance. To get back over the highs, 23,210. Make me proud. Sounds good, Dominic. Let's go. Get over 23,200. One big candle. Let's just pop to 23,205. One, two. Actually, if 23,205 can hold, I will have a trade triggering on Topstep. But it's 9:05 and I'm out of coffee, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, put back on the mic, close down the coffee break sign. The Butterband bot is kind of holding on to another winning trade, but if we get a bearish bar, I do not think it will manage to squeak out and get out. I think it's going to still be holding. Trade triggered on Topstep at 23,205. Boy, these numbers are confusing for me this morning. Let's just say 205 on Nasdaq. Forget the 23,000. Gold. Gold's drifting lower now for quite a long time. Drifted higher, consolidated, drifted lower. That's so funny. Still up $2. Bitcoin going higher. Did you even have a chance to get in? No, it's just a rocket ship. Crazy. Crazy how Bitcoin acts on the Renkos. Boy, oh boy. You can catch a move on Bitcoin. Ride the wave. Yeah, it's a decent entry over here. I don't know if I should take it though. If it's a decent entry, how about I take it for a 2-lot at 98? There's 98. Oh, 0501, 91. My stop's at 91. 97.5, good enough. Okay. Let's get another push. Let's get a bullish candle on the Renko on the white chart, bottom left. That would be cool. Might even add to the trade if we can get that. Get that at like, it would come in at 204. And I don't know, you know what? I can watch 2 charts. That's about my max ability. And right now I'm watching gold and NQ. I'm thinking I might switch it over to Bitcoin and NQ because Bitcoin just has these explosive moves. I mean, once it decides to run, it's like a railway car with all the weight behind it. There's no stopping it. Took out a little bit on that trade just to reduce the risk. Not very committed to this trade, not at 914. Maybe I'll add if I can get like 95 or 96, somewhere in that area. I'll add to this. $96 by 95. There, I saw the 95. I'll add to that. I'll see if you stop me out. You stop me out. if you find momentum to the downside. I'm guessing you won't, though. Could be wrong. Actually, okay, I was going to say, actually, the stop should be 91. So I'm in at 90.75. That's perfect. That's a perfect. Let's go, buyers. Let's see what it looks like on the 30-minute chart. All strong. You can't ask for a stronger day than that. Above the previous day's high, which is the yellow dashed line. Above VWAP, and we swept the Asia highs, and we never swept the Asia lows. So strong, 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 strong. So the question is, I want out of this trade. The question is, what move can they do to fake out traders, cause them pain, and then make the real move up? Where can we trade lower to? 23.067, 130 points lower, fill the gap, get below VWAP. It's going to be a lot of difficult trading there for me, because if we get below VWAP, we're going to be between VWAP and the previous day's high, and then we're going to be between the previous day's high and the previous day's close. The long trades are going to be a reason not to trade, because we're bouncing up into the previous day's high or up into VWAP. I'm kind of hoping this thing just takes off. Hey, good morning, Skeletor. Really kind of hoping this thing just takes off. Yeah, so my first thesis, let's go with that. Hypo sounds weird. My first thesis, we break the data highs, we break those relatively equal highs over there. Let me just check on the, yeah, that's the highs of this entire session also. Maybe we trade higher for a little bit, and then we reverse back down into there. I'm even going to mark off that level, because I think that's going to be a key level that we're going to bounce up into, over and back inside. Let's just go above, just to remind myself that there are swings. Hey, 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 come on. There we go. But the key is, I think, to watch is the swing highs and the swing lows. We're stair-stepping. And now we're here we were stair-stepping down, now we're stair-stepping up. We do have one high, lower high. Tells us the bullish momentum is slowing a little bit till we get a higher swing high. Mm. I should have had the balls to hold my trade. Spending too much energy trying to guess what the market's going to do. Butter bands will exit the trade if on the Renko bottom left chart, the white chart at the bottom left, if the Renko will form a bearish candle, it will exit the trade. Good morning, David. Stay patient.
Stay patient.
It's only one day of many. Well, there was always a 70% chance we go to 212 on the bid. Even when I was getting in at 95 and 96. Like I said, I just didn't have the cojones to hold it. Wasn't in the mood to take a loss. See, that's the thing. You can't trade being afraid to lose. You just got to let the trades play out and let the law of large numbers. Cojones. Let the large law of... I'm going to spill my coffee. Let the law of large numbers play out. Oh shit, I gotta remember the buckets. I wrote on my hand the buckets, so I remember. Okay, well, there's your 12 bid. Now we have a 50% chance that 19 bid comes and holds. I mean, I'm telling you guys a little late, but well, I guess we want to watch the opening, right? Who doesn't? So, with that being said, let's go over the competition results now. I I should have had a different sound after that drum roll. It was like a little squeak or something. Magic Mike, winner, 34.64. He won. He passed the $3,000 threshold. Made us all look like we didn't know how to trade. 2 rules. Couldn't trade more than 5 micros, although that rule got broken, and you get 1 rebuy. Big Mike, that's me, 834. Skelly Trades, 408. That's Skeletor. Omnius, minus 450. Bulletproof Butters, minus 520. And Chainsaw Chip, I don't know. He didn't update me, so I have him at 846. I also had him at minus 105. Don't really know what his number is. Hopefully I'll get an update on him. But that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 6. 18%. That's about 85% accurate, except for Chainsaw Chip. He's somewhere between second place and last place. I don't know where he is. Okay, that's it. So we got a good idea of where everybody stands today, or as of last night. And hopefully I can do something good with the take profit trader account. I'm up. Wow, look at that trading gold. Shit. I'm up 80 so far, but yesterday I was up 180 and I threw it all away like an idiot. Trying to get to 200. See, another bad decision. Probably took impulsive trades. Two minutes to open. Ping. My fries are ready. And they're off. So we already took out the entire session highs. Purple line. 2 minutes to open. I have no idea what to expect. I really don't. I really don't. Let's get my 3-lot scalper out. And I guess I should take trades to the upside, right? We're above VWAP. We're above previous day's high. Asian session highs were swept. That's bullish. Yes, expect a bit of a fake out here and there. But the real move, I'm guessing today should be up. Markets are strong. We broke out of that consolidation, 13 days consolidation. We're at all-time highs. $30 seconds. I used to get in early. If I was getting in early, I would be short right now. Believe it or not. Five, four, three, two, one. They're off. Butterband's already in a winning trade. Another one. Oh! $19, I'm in at 21. I'll add better. Oh, this thing is fucking me up. Really? You know what? I can't use an ATM in the morning. Price is too hectic. It's getting close to stopping me out. It's gonna stop me out. Ooh, big loss. Again, got above that line, got below that line. Okay, it is what it is. Go along, little doggy. Oh no, let's get along, little doggy. Come on, reach for the lows. Okay, recovered some. Just trying to go along. Hello, Omnius.
Good morning.
Omnius joins the chat and my alarm rings. I don't
Warning.
know if you heard it, but that was funny. Shit. Really?
It was almost like an auto setup. Like I just clicked and it did everything.
Yeah,
Kind of like that.
I should have that too. Hopefully. I'm going to try, but I'm in a trade now. Hoping the market sinks. There we go. You're not up yet. Okay, so really I should just click get rid of this and open this. There we go. Auto setup. Me too. Perfect. I like it. Easy breezy. Yeah, but you know what? Tomorrow it's not going to work like that.
Yeah, right.
Tomorrow your picture will be who knows where.
Yeah, right now I got a picture off. Really good.
Let me just take a one lot here. It's a Butterband's trade. Market's very fast.
Do they all do that? They just can't remember from one day to the next?
I have no idea. Ooh, that was close. Close to getting stopped out. But
Okay. Get into the habit where I lock everything.
So yeah, I do that too, but it doesn't help.
Lock every freaking thing.
Locking doesn't help.
Something's got to work.
At least not on OBS, not for me. Like I said, it's all locked. And I came in on Monday, and it was a big mess.
Trying out my new setup today, so hopefully it works good.
No! Butterbands, you're killing me.
Wait a second, I thought we were pushing up. What happened?
Well, first they have to fake out all the traders.
Shows you how long it's been since I looked at the chart. Part of doing a stream.
Wow,
get sidetracked so much. Push down, get everybody in the cells. Oh my God, I just got the worst feel ever.
Woo!
What the hell was that?
I don't know. I didn't hear anything. You heard something?
The
It was
the
probably
bot took the trade, but
I still don't have my my 2-minute bot running. I gotta get it going. I just can't remember. Actually, that alarm, when you showed up exactly at 9:32 and the alarm rang, and it's my loudest, most aggressive alarm, and I still didn't remember to take the bot.
what?
It's not so much that I didn't remember. I gotta focus to take it. And I'm just trying to jump on all the momentum in the morning, so I can't add that in. That definitely has to be automated.
Oh yeah. I don't know how you would possibly do it without automation.
Mm-hmm.
Not looking good today. It's going down today.
I don't know. We're still above VWAP. We're still above yesterday's high, and we only swept the Asian highs. That's a very strong sign. I think we're at all-time highs. And if you look at the daily chart, that 13-day consolidation you were pointing out yesterday, we've broken above it.
Yeah.
Pretty solid.
Oh, definitely.
Too. Pretty
definitely
solid.
Bullish.
Yeah. So what's the market going to do? The market's going to fake down a little bit, give sellers some hope. And then it's going to start going back up again.
That looks kind of bullish to me. I don't know. As I say that, we're kind of setting up for a sell signal.
Well, yeah, right now I got everything showing short. Right now. So we just got to get a little bit higher to switch.
Isn't that crazy? It's like, oh, we're so bullish. Everything. Oh, wait, I got a sell signal.
I know, and I took it. And I took it. Go hit the cash register. Come on. Fuck, I'm squeezing my toes. Squeeze.
Fuck, you just said we were bullish.
I know. And I shorted. Cha-ching. That's
that cash register. That's a good sound, isn't it?
I love it. I love it.
It's like, well, at least my risk is at that level now, whether it's break even or a little bit less.
Yeah, I love it. It's my favorite sound in the morning. That and the smell of napalm in the morning.
Drop it then. Drop it like it's hot.
You know, that was good. That was good. That was good. Not great, but that was good.
Maybe that's what we need, to drop it like it's hot meme.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yes, looks like it wants to go down. Means it's going to push, isn't it? Mother.
Butter bands is long.
Whatever.
But everything I got is short. Let me try one more short, but I gotta get in early. Not late. I've been getting hurt by getting in late.
Wait a second. I get hurt getting in early or late.
Early. Early is... Early. You know, I checked mathematically. I checked the numbers of me getting in early, and it's so rare that it actually benefits me. Almost the best case scenario by getting in early is that you're going to get in at the same price when it eventually triggers. But for me, it's like almost always the worst price.
All right. Bought one. I lost. So fucking what? You see how the bot was able to hold through all that and it didn't care at all?
Yeah, I know.
I was like, Mommy, help me, please.
Isn't that insane? I know. That's what makes the bot so incredible.
I was even like, look at the ES. This thing wants to dump.
Okay, but now we're at VWAP. Are we going to bounce? Yeah, it really is selling off. I'm surprised. I'm going to take a long if I get a... No, we're too low below VWAP.
Do have a support coming up. 23,100.
Well,
Could also go 23,111.
I have R1 right here, actually.
Yeah, I got R1 right here. But I still think we might hit the 23,111 to 23,100.
Let's go. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Push. Push. It works when I say it. Push. Push.
I thought we were going down. You buying off of the pivot point?
We were going, I don't know. I don't make judgments on whether we're going down. I don't predict. I don't have a crystal ball. I just go whatever
Now you sound like me. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just pressing buttons.
Hey, if the train is going east to west, I assume it's going to continue going east to west.
Uh-huh.
And if it reverses and it suddenly starts going west to east, well, then I'm assuming it's going to continue going west to east. That's all I do. That's my job.
Like, what do you want from me? I was going this way, so I went with it.
Actually, we should call it north and south, not west to east. Right now, it's hard to say. Right now, we're going south, but we're going north while we're going south. How's that for confusing? That means higher time frame is showing short, but lower time frame is showing potential bullish momentum coming back into the markets.
I was watching this video yesterday, and this lady was talking about this guy that was supposed to be like a big-time trader. Said he traded like 100 lot ES.
Oh, yeah?
And lady was talking about how he was such a great trader, but he couldn't press the buttons. Said that if he overthought it and pressed the buttons, it'd mess him up. So he hired somebody to sit across from him and told them to press the button.
Oh, I've seen someone trade like that. That's the guy who, no, honestly, there's a video Patrick Whelan did with him. There's this guy, he's got like 150 monitors.
Oh, yeah?
Have you seen him? And he calls out the trades, and he has 3 guys behind him taking the trades. He calls them out, and they just execute for him.
Might be the same guy.
Mm.
I thought it was interesting to be that great of a trader, to be trading 100 lots.
Yeah.
And you still can't press the button?
Let's go.
Said that
Reach.
If he pressed the button, his emotions and stuff get in the way. So he don't want nothing to do with it. He just tell them to press it.
Come on.
She said if he lost over $100,000 on a single trade, he had to go mow his farm by hand.
That's funny. But
how's that for keeping you in line?
Yeah. Those 3 guys that he calls out the trades to, I'm sure they know how to manage the trades. You know, he's told them what to do and how to exit, how to take profit. They're not just winging it on their own. Yeah, I'm going to find that video for you. It's interesting.
I don't know the way this lady was talking, like they don't manage the trades. He does, but he tells them to press the button.
Oh, really?
Like,
yeah.
Like he's sitting there watching the screens and he don't see anything on there. He don't see anything as far as the orders or the executions. He has somebody sitting on the other side and he'll say, okay, buy here. And then when it gets to a point he thinks you need to sell, he'll say, okay, sell here.
Okay, maybe. I mean, I didn't pay that close attention to it, but yeah, that's what he was doing. He's calling out the trades like a quarterback. And he had his back to the traders that were executing the trade. So yeah, maybe it's the same guy.
Might be the same.
Yeah, I just assumed they were finishing out the trades, but maybe he was calling out the closing too.
Well, that's just kind of what I assumed also. So who knows? But anyway, it's kind of interesting.
It is.
And the part about mowing the farm was kind of interesting.
Okay,
Like
let's
shit,
try it out.
I can't lose $100,000, or I'm gonna have to go out there and push mow my farm.
So let's try that experiment one time. Get an account. I call out the trades. You execute. We'll see how it goes. And if the account busts, and the next time I buy the account, and you call out the trades, and I execute. You have no idea. You have no idea what size I'm trading. Nothing. You don't get to see nothing. I'll just tell you when it gets to either 53,000 or if it busts. No?
Yeah. No. You wouldn't know what size or anything. Or we'd have a predetermined size. You wouldn't know where the orders are.
No, I'm saying
like, okay.
When you're calling out the trades.
Yeah. Okay.
You know nothing. You just call out the trades.
Right.
You're in the blind.
Right.
You're in the blind.
Right. Would be interesting.
Yeah, I'd be willing to give it a shot. I'm going to try something. I'm going to fade butter buns, butter, whatever it is, butter bands. I think I've noticed the pattern here.
Hey, there it is. Thought it didn't work. No, I just took a little bit. Okay. I set up a command for the chat. Live now with futures floor.
Command?
Pull up, say what's up in the chat, smash the like button.
Oh, like a Nightbot type of thing.
Yeah, I see an error though. It's okay. I'll fix it later.
Oh, I like that. That's better than mine. Mine just said go check out Omnius. But yeah, no, live now with Omnius. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, and go check out Omnius at. I'm gonna, yeah, I like that. Better than mine.
All right, so I took only one fired off. Turn that one off. Got 3 more chances to blow my account.
You got 3 more chances to hit a big winner. How's that?
Yeah, you could look at it either way. If I look at it like, hey, this is a chance to blow my account, then I don't really worry about it. It's like, hey, I knew the risk when I set it up, right?
Yeah, I remember I read somewhere that they said if you put in your head on the trade that you took that it was a full loser already, then you shouldn't have stress. Like, accept the fact that it already went to a full loss.
Well, I think whether you expect to be a winner or a loser, you accept the risk when you take it. So you shouldn't be in a trade clenching your butt cheeks saying, hey, please, mama, go to my target. You know, the battle should be fought before you get in the trade.
Well, I wasn't clenching my butt cheeks, but I was squeezing my toes. Does that count?
My son likes playing soccer, and I always tell him, I'm like, look, the winning's done off the field, not on the field. You know, when you're on the field, you execute. When you're off the field, you got to figure out what you're doing, set up the game plan, get the team in check. When you're there and it's happening, you're just doing it. And I also tell my son that old saying, if you ever find yourself in a fair fight, your strategy sucks.
Wow. I swear I have the luck. I don't know what word to use.
Well, good luck's good luck and bad luck's good luck, right?
Yeah, no, this is bad luck. It's unbelievable, man. Makes no sense. Makes no sense.
We need to do like a series with GPT and rack GPT's brain on why do so many people lose when the odds are 50-50.
Hmm. Yeah, it's crazy because the Butterband system is about 50-50, but it does go on losing streaks, you know? And so I just took 4 trades in a row, I think.
And you just answered the question.
And they all lost. I faded it. And all the Butterbands were winners.
Mm-hmm.
And all mine were losers because I faded it. But I've been taking Butterbands, and I've been going with the Butterbands, and all the Butterbands that I took, when I went with it, also lost. I'm saying it's crazy.
But you just got to remember it's a statistical strategy, and if you deviate from the strategy, you ruin the statistics.
Yeah, I know, but it's like, you go to a roulette wheel and you play, you bet on red, and you bet on red, and you bet on red, and you're losing, and you say, fuck it, you go to black. And now you're losing on black. And then you go back to red, and you're losing on red. So, fuck how that happens. It's crazy.
Because you changed your statistics.
Mm-hmm.
That's why so many people lose, because after you get punched in the face 3 or 4 times, you deviate from the plan, and then you change the statistics.
Yeah, that's why having a system is so much better. Just follow it. Don't think. That's when I trade the best anyways.
It's just weird that even the coin flip strategy still 50%, and that beats 80% of traders. That beats all your support and resistance, your ICT, not all of them, but 80%.
Mm.
So it's just crazy. And if you think about it, you can make somebody a break-even trader on day one just doing the coin flip strategy.
Well, I'm going to press you on that. How do they know where to get out? You're talking a 1-to-1
1-to-1
target? Yeah.
1-to-1.
You think? You want to try that? You want to try that experiment one day?
We are, yeah.
We should.
Mm-hmm. Compete against each other with the coin flip strategy.
Okay.
There's all kinds of strategies like that. You can do every hour buy the first candle.
Oh, yeah.
Candle's green, buy it. Candle's red, sell it. Still got about a 50%. It's almost like trading should be easy, but we've all been taught to trade in a way that makes it difficult.
Hmm.
What you looking at over there? Anything?
No, I'm just trying to scalp my way into trouble.
Uh-oh.
Not catching the moves I need.
I like my new setup, but I feel like it still needs a little bit of tweaking as far as the streaming scene.
Let's get back down to VWAP. $49.56. 54. I gotta regroup.
What's up? What's going on?
Me?
Yeah, you talking about regrouping?
Yeah, I gotta regroup. Hold on, let me just get out of this. If it gives me a chance. Nope, the buyers look like they're getting strong. Come on, push it lower one more time. Why just one more time? Be nice. Be nice.
I've been nice to you. You be nice to me. Come on.
Come on, you're so close. You touched it. Maybe if I wiggle my body like this. Okay, no damage. I'm out. Let's regroup. You know what? I'm also confused because I am trading again. I have a counter trend system on my charts, on my sim, and I have a trend following system everywhere else. And trying to take both of them, or deciding when to take one and when to take the other is,
Oh God, that drive you crazy.
yeah, really playing with my brain. I think I'm gonna have to take Butterbands off. I'll give it to Butterbands. I'll let him test it. Or I should just turn it off. You're doing that to me again.
Well, I guess my bot's not taking any more trades today.
That's it.
Back test the system. It does all these trades.
Do you know if there's
I
news
start-
that
Start running. I don't want to trade. There was CPI this morning, 8:30.
no, I meant, do you know if there's news at 10 o'clock?
I didn't see any. I looked earlier. I think it was some people talking or something.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I escaped with my skin intact.
Yeah, there's people talking all day, but nothing important.
What is it? It's Tuesday, really? There's talkers on Tuesday?
There's a whole bunch of them.
Break time. Let's get away from VWAP and see what happens. 9:59. I'll watch the spread, see if there's anything.
We got some movement yesterday afternoon, didn't we?
Yeah,
Go
we
back
did.
and look at it. Shit, that was a time to be trading.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you never know when the volatility is gonna show its face.
Well, I guess it went good for a bit and then went sideways again.
I still don't believe this move down. I mean, we're only at VWAP. We're still above previous day's high.
What do we got? We got
Yesterday's
10
close.
o'clock. Yesterday at 9:45 was the bottom. It shot up from there.
Mm-hmm. Sure, and
So
it's true that
could see about the same thing.
exactly.
Shot up, came back down. 10 o'clock was bullish from there.
10 o'clock reversal. There we go. Make me happy. Let me hear that sound.
Yeah, we could see this find support in this area somewhere.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see it shoot up.
Was looking for the 111.
Gotta be kidding me. Okay, well, at least I stopped out. Okay.
We got that support at 111. We also got the 5-minute moving average at 115.
Mm.
So I think we could be finding a bottom around here somewhere.
Well, like I said, there's always the 10 o'clock reversal, which happens between 9:50 and 10:10. Doesn't happen all the days, but happens often enough.
I was looking at your strategy yesterday when
Which
you were
one?
live.
The butter bands?
No. Hold on, let me
Just the Renko?
open this up a little bit. The regular chart, the black one.
Oh, okay. The 1 minute.
And you got the momentum indicator.
Yeah, I love it. I feel like I get to see under the hood of the market.
Yeah, what you need is a strategy where you buy with the momentum but on the pullback.
Mm-hmm. I
I
agree.
was telling you, I got a similar indicator. Got one here on the, I haven't really used a lot, the 4181.
Okay.
Screen if you want to take a look at it. Whenever you're not in the trade. Just let me
yeah.
know when you're not in the trade. We're not looking at something. So the one I got is based on volume. Would be kind of cool to see the two of them together. What are you on, a 1 minute chart?
The Blackman's chart's a 1 minute chart, yeah.
We'll bring up a 1 minute. Oh, yeah, this indicator sucks on time chart. Okay, scratch that one.
When the Saints is playing again.
Yeah, I need to delete that one. I think it distracts you.
Makes me laugh every time I hear it.
Do you got that indicator on any charts that's not a time chart?
I do have it on a Renko chart, yeah.
What's the Renko?
16.4? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean by what's the Renko.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, 16.4.
The bottom one.
Duplicate again. 16.4. There we go. Yeah, it's all right. Works better on the volume chart. Yeah, we got like a big doji on the 5 minute. Could possibly be the bottom. Where's all
Yeah.
our reversal traders? They ain't saying nothing.
They're there, and squeaking in.
Dominique, go along.
Oh, I don't have my chat squeaking in between the 10 and 10:10. No, that
Wonder
was
if that
9:30. That was at 9:30.
Wonder if that meant go long.
Yeah,
Oh.
that was go long.
Wood
morning,
chip,
Wood
good
Chip.
morning. Wood chip going long here. Buy it, hold it for life, full port.
Hey, gold made a little bit of a recovery.
Yeah, 146. He bought at 146, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wait, I'm calling it out and I'm the only one that didn't take it? God, I wasn't getting no confirmation from you guys.
No, I'm just trying to stay alive. I got myself in a lot of trouble.
2.5. Then I'll add on the pullback. Well, yeah, I should have waited for the pullback.
Really? Didn't do anything. I was actually in lower and did something really stupid.
What was that? Take profit?
Come on. Let's go stop him out.
Stop who out?
Butterband system. I'm fading the butterband system again. Every time I fade it, it wins. It's crazy how that happens.
Oh, Woodchip saying he turned into Tanya Trades.
Hmm.
What's her thing? I used to watch Tanya Trades when she first started. She had almost no subscribers.
Yeah.
Then she went on ICT and he was coming on her channel a lot. And then she went to go see Patrick Whelan. Remember that?
How does that happen? Yeah.
And then she went to go hang out with Patrick Whelan and ICT and all that. And the next thing you know, she's got freaking 15,000 subscribers, 20,000, 30,000. Six months later, she's over 100,000
subscribers.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
right. I think so.
Nice.
Woodchip, how many subscribers does she got? Roundabout. She's over 100,000, right?
That's more than you and me combined.
100,000. Yeah. That's a lot more. She had 2,500 people watching.
Yeah,
good. She got a lot of people watching too.
That's good, but it's hard to you can't really interact with the comments too much anymore, and with your viewers. There's too many comments flying by.
Yeah,
at that
I think
point,
she kind of blew up too fast. Also,
yeah, at that point, either you put in like a timer So people can't chat more than once every 5 minutes, or you make it for members only. I don't know what you do so it doesn't go flying by.
They have a feature that slows down the chat.
Yeah.
I guess like takes out all the useless stuff.
Mm. But people also know when there's that many people in chat that what their comments aren't going to be read, most likely.
So yeah, all you gotta do is go spend the weekend with Patrick.
Mm.
You'll blow up.
Yep.
But she did some things with ICT also.
Yeah. Yeah, I wonder how that happened. I mean, why would he have picked her? What was she doing that he said she's worthy?
I don't know. I don't know if she still does it, but when she first started, she was like all about ICT.
Yeah. Yeah,
Like
but
an ICT fanboy.
there's a lot of people that are all about ICT.
I guess. I don't know why her.
She kills it. Yeah, she does well.
Yeah, she does good too.
I stopped watching 6 months ago because I can't handle some of her personality things. She used to talk about herself a lot, and I'm surprised she was at 1,500 people are watching. We still holding? No, I'm scalping.
Still holding? What are you talking about?
You're still holding? Well, yeah, I don't know. I'm not still holding. I'm trying to get back in now. I'm gonna fade another.
I said buy and hold for life. Full
Nobody
port.
said buy and hold for life. I thought you were reading a chat. I didn't know you said that. I thought you read that. There's a difference.
Fine, I'll take profit then. Take it there for 23.
You just 23 points?
Yeah.
Wow, good job.
I was trying to get the pullback, but didn't pull back as much as I thought it would.
Poobah.
And I only took half a lot, so whatever.
Oh, and the Saints.
Well, the important part was I called the bottom. Ish.
Yeah, I mean, look, I know the 10 o'clock reversal trade for years and years now. When there's a decent fall or rise, you can expect a reversal between 9:50 and 10:10, although they call it the 10 o'clock reversal, but I wasn't...
Plus, with all the confluences going on, you got the pivot point, you got the VWAP, you got the 5-minute moving average, and you got a support zone.
Yeah, there was a shit ton there.
So there was a lot screaming, buy and hold for life. Or as day traders, life to us was like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? I was going to say. I was going to say 20, but
20 on ES, 10 on NQ. Five if you're doing options. Your life decays faster when you're doing options.
Close for 36 months. Hey, Mike, you keep remodeling your studio. I like this one, actually. I like it a lot.
He's got a whole crew on standby, doesn't he?
Yeah, I like that one also.
Need to update mine. Oh, I got some monitors behind me.
Yeah, I had to build out a new studio. I'm going to be interviewing Kamala Harris later, so she wanted me to build out a new studio.
Oh, God, the hyena.
Yeah, that was an aggressive enough move down to make people think they should go short and then to reverse. Kamala.
Is it Kamala or Kamala?
I don't know.
I never
really
could
don't know.
figure it out.
You got to ask her.
Every time you turn around, somebody's mad at somebody for not saying it right.
Saying
Then they're
right,
telling
yeah.
them saying it different ways. Like, look, y'all figure it out and let us know.
Well, let her clear the air.
It's going to be our pullback we need. Get a pullback and then push to 23,222.
Mm. Well, I just faded butter bands again. So let's see if I can do anything with it this time. The stop on butter bands is 199, so that would be my target. I'm back from Italy. How's it going with everyone? I don't know. Not bad. Oh, and butter bands is gonna have a winner again. It's almost comical. One, two, if one more closes, I have to get out. There it is. Okay, c'est la vie.
Skeletor, good morning.
I shouldn't be cheering against butter bands, but shit damn.
How did the daily meeting go? Everybody get a 10% raise? You tell them Omnia said 10% raise for everybody. Oh, the meeting was boring.
And is the meeting not boring?
Right. Did they at least have coffee and donuts? I think this could be our long spot right here.
Joking. It's not possible.
Damn chart. Oh yeah. Looking for an entry here. We could push all the way up to 23,222. Got in a little early, didn't you?
I don't know. I shouldn't be trading today.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Take a break.
Mm.
If you got a question that you could use a 5-minute break. Getting a pullback. Possible push up, break a 30-second fair value gap.
Market is playing me.
Do it.
Okay, I agree. 10-minute break.
Oh, it took my stop loss. You.
Okay, was that 10 minutes? That was my 10-minute break.
The fucker ticked my stop loss.
Yeah, and I heard you cussing. Kind of fire up a video game, so when I lose, I can blame it on my PC crashing. Yeah, no, this is bad trading. I gotta stop. Stop. That's it. It's over.
Can't believe it ticked my stop loss. That should be illegal.
We will let Butterbands run and just check the numbers. Unfeathered, untethered, unwatched. We'll go back to what I know what to do. Is that you clicking?
No. I don't do clicks.
I'm hearing clicking. Click. No, I didn't mean clicking with the clicker. I meant with the mouse.
Oh. I don't think you can hear my mouse.
Were you just doing a whole bunch of clicks?
You can't hear my mouse.
I think I do.
I don't know if you can hear the keyboard.
I hear something very faint in the background, but I hear it.
Oh, you can kind of hear the keyboard.
Are you typing something out?
No.
Because I hear it now. Click.
It ain't coming from me. I got a meter right here next to my screen.
Okay, I'm finally in a normal trade. So much for Tanya calling a dump at the lows. We're long at 91. I'm long at 89, which is a little bit better. It's a 3-lot.
Yeah, it's kind of looking iffy again. Tanya was calling short. I mean, I like her. I liked her a lot better when she first started. She was more humble. But every time she has a winning trade, past few times I've seen, she's like overly brags about it. But then she has a big losing trade, and it's all crickets.
It's
like, all right, well, if you're going to have a money printing machine and all this for a winning trade, what do you got for the losing trade? Celebrate both sides, right? Right? I mean, you can't just celebrate your winning trades and act like there's no losers.
Yeah, no, you don't want to celebrate your losers. Acknowledge them, but not celebrate. I'm not gonna get up and dance when I lose. Come on, push lower.
What, do you get up and dance when you win?
So I can get up and dance. Yeah.
I mean, I don't get up and dance when I win. I don't do it when I lose either, but I don't do it when I win. I don't pull out a money machine and tell everybody how great I am, and I know exactly how the market moves.
Let's get down to 77.
Classic, when you take a bad trade, we say it's just an eval. I don't care. Yeah. I mean, really, I think we all say we don't care when we lose. We
do.
We don't like to lose. I mean, we do care, but part of us has to acknowledge that that's inevitable. I mean, ain't nobody pushing 100% win rate. And if they are, can I get their number? I see a lot of people claiming nowadays I got like 85% win rate, 2-to-1, R-to-R. Like, are these people even serious? Mike, you know how much money I would have with stats like that?
Say that again. 2 to 1. What?
85% win rate with a
Oh
2
my
to
God.
1.
Yeah, that's insane. That's insane.
I mean, if that was true, I'd be betting the house every single trade. I mean,
Let's check with GPT what the profit factor is on that.
hey, what happened? I got stopped out again. Fuck you, mother bitches. All right, I've been punished enough at this area.
What's the profit factor on a 2 to 1 system in trading with an 85% accuracy? I'm gonna go for
ridiculous.
8 or 11, somewhere around there.
Man, if people can do it,
Yep,
great for them.
11.
What is it?
33.
Profit factor.
11.33.
It's fucking unreal, man.
Yeah, what chip? I'm having a breakdown today.
If somebody telling me that that's what they got, I want to see the Lamborghini. I want to see the castle. Oh, and then we're going to go back up again. Oh, it did this yesterday, didn't it? Was it yesterday?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Was it like 5 times or something?
Seems like it does it every day.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are kind of half times. Like 5, 6, 7 times. Yeah, part of me wants to jump back in. Part of me says I've been punished enough.
Oh my God, Skeletor, you have no idea how true that is. How true that is for today.
Skeletor, you can't tell a guy on a diet to go eat a pizza. Come on, man.
No, I'm reading it. I'm reading it for the message. The message is the first 2 words. That's the message. The rest was some humor.
At least tell him to go out and buy some ice cream or something.
Let's take a poll. Take a break and take a poll.
Wait, who was in for 21 contracts?
Actually, I don't know. I didn't see anybody. Guys, type in the chat. 1, I stop trading. 0 or 2, I continue. 1, I should stop trading. 2, I continue. Let's see what we get.
What about 3, take a 5-minute break?
And how about I let that play for 5 minutes?
There you go.
No, I'm sorry about that alarm. Yeah, not only am I trading poorly, oversizing, I'm also not letting any trades run to target.
Run to what target? Every time I get in, they go the opposite way.
Or stop trailing and eat pizza.
Or 5, stop trailing and eat cottage cheese. Was it cottage cheese, right?
Yeah. No, it's not. Butterbands is not cleaning up. It's losing. Not sure why.
Pizza Tuesdays.
Pizza. Yeah, it is Pizza Tuesday, but I can't. We have people coming over for work again today, so.
There's a long trigger again.
Even with everything I put into it, getting a better price, holding on for bigger gains, somehow it's still red.
Yeah, I'm gonna try one more. I ain't learned my lesson just yet.
What are you trying, long or short?
I don't want to talk about it.
Stay safe. I'm taking the trade. That's all that matters.
Just taking some more punishment. At this point, don't even call it a trade. Just call it more punishment.
Punishment.
The trade would be that you actually believe you have a chance. And then the ES is dumping.
Yeah.
Mother bitches. Okay.
Break into new lows. Wow. NQ is relatively strong compared to ES.
Okay.
See, it's pulling out big winners. Look, I mean, it's up 375 on this trade, and the average loser is just, I think 8 points. I got to turn it into an 8-point loser or 6-point loser somehow. No 15-minute ORB. No, not yet. Trade gold instead. What is gold doing? Up $5. Buyers in control. Yeah, but it's at 10:30. Gold Renko. Could have had a couple of little quick trades there. Wow, look at that moving. Another insane move. Insane move up. Good moves, good moves, good moves.
That one took out. That one got all your sellers in and took them out. Bear trap. All right. Take a 5-minute break. I'll be back.
Yeah. $33.75. Sell limit. That's faded again. It's short. I'll take it for a 1 lot. I'll join it. I'll join along with Butterbands for a 1 lot and see what we can squeeze out of it. Take a break from NQ. This is terrible chop. And now I'm just doing a 1 lot. Trading the Butterband system. Every time I fade it, it wins. Now I'm going with it. Watch it lose. Anyways, it's just for a 1 lot, so. But if it gets a re-entry, I'll sell a second one. Especially here. This is a good place for a re-entry. If we get a bearish candle on the Renko chart, don't put your hand in the meat grinder. No, you can't. Not with a 1 lot. Well, I swear to God, I think I picked the wrong direction 100% of the time with butter bands, whether I faded it or went with it. I was always wrong. I mean, this one, the jury is still out on this one, but looks like I'm going to be wrong because I went with it. And out. Okay. Short again. Sell market. Same deal. If we get a bearish candle, I'm going to add to the trade and hope for a runner. That's it. All that. I'm only down up. I have 4 lot. We're that far in and I'm only up 15 bucks. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it'll go into profit. There we go. Trade lower. Trade lower. Lower. That's it. Keep going lower. And I'll take it. I'll take what little bit I can get.
Shorten.
Yeah, I was shorting.
Thought we was creating a bull flag here, but
Well,
never could quite get the breakout.
We look like we're stair-stepping down right now. How long it'll last, I don't know. But I just put in a trend line here. I mean, I draw ugly trend lines, but but I just put in a trend line.
Jose, good morning.
Good morning, Jose.
Not much. I'm getting punished on the NQ. All these fake breakouts right here. What was it? This one, and this one. So here. I got punished twice on one because I just couldn't learn my lesson in there. All were valid entries, so not that much concerned about it, but it still sucks, right? That leads back to what we was talking about first thing this morning. People lose so much because they get punched in the face a few times and break their strategy.
Yeah. Thank God that doesn't happen to me.
Right.
Thank God. Thank God I got the clicker keeping me safe.
Anyways, Jose, how's your morning been? Any good trades?
Oh, I have a trade. 56.
Oh, I did have one good trade, though. Talk about the bad ones. Could at least talk about the... See, look, other people brag about the good trades. I brag about the bad ones.
We should get down to 49.
So I did catch 24 points through here. Was about right here. Up to there. So I did catch a nice trade there.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Also, my bot took one trade today out of the 4, and it was a winner. So. Some good news in the day, some bad news.
There we go.
We shorting again?
Yeah, I took a valid trade, actually, a clicker trade. And it won. I got about 8 points out of that. Gold is Gold is cleaner to read. It's just harder for me to get in. And nothing is simpler. Nothing is cleaner to read than Bitcoin. Look at that move on Bitcoin. On the Renkos. Oh, yeah, that's a one-off. Oh, yeah, is it? Look at that one. Look at this one. These aren't one-offs. Bitcoin is clean. Shit, damn. When it goes, it just goes. It's a one-way train. It has no stops. That is funny. He just faded into his wall like a warlock.
All right, what'd I miss?
I said you faded. It was hilarious. You faded into your wall like a warlock. You need to see what it looks like. It was crazy. You just walked into the monitors and then you just slowly disappeared.
I have to go back and watch that. What is that?
That's a 10:40.
10:43.
Yeah, a little bit before that 10:42. It's true. I'm not on your stream.
Got so mad I ran into the wall and disappeared. Now there's a door right there. I guess you can't see it, but
Okay. Jose is waiting for setups.
Jose, I'm waiting for 4 setup. Dang, 4 setups. I guess that's the good thing about the forex, huh? Click through and find all these different setups. But it would drive me crazy. I don't know. Guess I'd have to have a chart up for each one. Or an alert set. I guess you could just set alerts. Max 2, yeah. Was I even putting out any new videos?
Jose, you've been putting out? Okay, look at the camera. Smile. Smile.
Where's my smile? How you trying to do?
I took a picture.
Didn't know I looked that good.
I don't know. Let's see. Hold on. I'm out of battery. No, it's pretty good. Unfortunately, I'm looking at the phone when I took it. It's good.
Y'all hear him? He's like, yeah, you look pretty good. I'm like, what the?
I'll send it to you. The picture looks pretty good. Or did I say you look pretty good? Well, but compared to me.
Just put it out there, disclaimer, but I'm not that way, okay? I mean, I know it's 2025 and all, for each their own, and you live in Canada.
It would have been a good picture had I been looking at the camera too. I know at my screen, at my camera there, not at my phone.
I better not talk about Canada. Some of them Canada people get serious.
Okay, we're on VWAP, but we're still respecting the trend line. I'll wait for another entry. You can think of it, what I did was like taking a selfie, except instead of the camera pointing at me, it's pointing at my screen with another camera pointing at me.
Back in my day, a selfie meant something different.
That was a complicated selfie, what I just did.
Wait, you did a selfie on stream? Man, at least turn the stream off.
No. Did you not see? Oh, it's true. You're not looking at me. Yeah, you'll have to replay the video. I don't even know what time it was. Do you have my
Looking at
stream
the-
up?
Yes, right here.
Okay, this is what I was doing.
No, you have a chart blocking you.
Really? Why? No. I was taking a picture like this. See? I was taking a picture of the monitor.
You do know you can take a screenshot, right?
I lost the key. All the ink is off the keys. I don't know where that is anymore. Actually, I don't even know why they call it print screen. They should actually call it screenshot. Print screen is deceiving.
Yeah, I'm looking at the British pound. Looks like it's going straight down almost. So I'm going to guess Jose's setup. They'll probably be completely wrong. Let's try it. Jose, waiting for a break of this trend line. Assuming initially he was looking for the pullback to here. Though we done broke that now, so it'd be invalidated. Break of the trend line, pullback, and then go long.
What's up, Coach Fred? I had a trading breakdown, but I've recovered. I'm back on the trend.
That would be invalidated now, so now it'd be something different.
My voice is too low? No, it seems okay. Let me check on my... Or is this... Am I being bugged again? Everyone's telling me your mic is off. Oh, yeah, it's true. My mic is pointing. Yeah, I moved the mic to take a picture. Yeah, no. Omnius wanted me to take a picture of him for his souvenir album. So I had to move the mic away to take a picture.
Sounds good on my side. Even before you moved it back.
Yeah, that's better now. Now it's really good. Nice to meet you, Omnius.
Who are we meeting?
Coach Fred.
Coach Fred, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Go wave somewhere over here like this.
That's a nice move up. Looks a little strong, breaking out of the trend line.
Oh, was it your stream that your voice was low?
Yeah, most likely. The mic was pointed away from me, so...
Might still be a little low.
I think it's fine. Yeah, it's good. I can see where my my little line is going. I'm gonna kill my stop on this. We got VWAP. I'm gonna assume VWAP's gonna hold. And bounce, of course.
It's weird because you sound different versus the on stream.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah. There's a few filters on my thing, so that's possible. Yeah. You do it to me again, huh? I get up, I go down. I get up, I go down. Okay, goodbye. Well, that was a nice short for the butter band system.
Yeah, that was a valid short right there. I'm just not liking the area. And my numbers are down a little bit more than I'd like them to be. I got to remember tomorrow, since it's the second day in a row it's done that. Don't buy every signal at around 10:20.
Hey, I asked you guys if I should stop trading. Nobody said yes. Only Omnia said take a 5-minute break. Actually, maybe a few people said take a 5-minute break. Take a pizza break.
Said, yeah, go get pizza.
Yeah, take a pizza break. We're getting down to the initial balance low. And we're going to break through it. I'm going to say yes.
I think the thing about stopping is then you stop and all your setups come into play. And then you look back and you're like, so I took all the losing trades, then I quit, and now all the winning trades I didn't get. I think you reach a certain point and you got to take like a 5-minute break and reach another point. You got to have like a breaker, right? You reach another point and take another 5-minute break. Reach another point and all right, just got to call it for the day.
Hello? Okay, guys, I got to go do a little setup for the people who are coming to work here, so I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Sounds good?
Sounds good. Not like it's the best price action anyways. Hey, there's two of me. What the hell? Butterstunts got ticked out. That happened to me earlier. Did you see it? It's like literally to the tick. Not gonna lie, that'll kind of get you a little mad. It happens. What's the worst is when you get ticked out and then it just immediately goes your direction. Might be fixing the tank. Breaking the support here. See if it holds. Get below the 100. Holds below the 100. Could go all the way down to the open. 23.029. Yeah, I don't get too mad when it ticks me out and then pushes up and then goes back down, and it would have lost anyways. That makes me feel a little bit better. But when it ticks me out like to the tick or two, and then immediately goes up and would have hit my take profit, I might as well quit trading for the day. Jose down to 3 setups. US CAD took off on me, so that one's out. Let's check out the US CAD. Oh, wow, that was to the moon, isn't it? I was gonna say about time to short that one, but I guess looking back, I guess it gets a bunch of spikes like that. There, there, there. Waiting for a pullback, yeah. It just shot off. And Q looks like it's about the tank. Skeletor done with the day with the challenge. Yeah, I took with the challenge account. Took it with the bot this morning. Only took one trade. It's up 180. Really, the other set of accounts that are down sucks. It's life. Fuck it, can't win them all. I think I took about 4 trades today. 5. What was that one? 1 winner, 3 losers. At least the winner was 23 points. The losers were 13, 17, and 17. Then with the other accounts, took that 1 winner. So overall, 2 winners, 3 losers. What's your bot strategy? It's the 2-minute open range. Not quite set at the open range, though. It's set a little bit different. And as me and Mike found out, my chart's not even on time right, so it's actually off from even the way I got it set. But whatever works, right? How is your chart not on time? Butters, I've been trying to figure that out for years. Two-minute chart. So if I go to my 2-minute chart, it's actually, I can go to this one. So my 2-minute chart is going in, so it should be odd numbers. It's going in, no, it's going, should be even numbers. It's going in odd. So it's like 1051, 1053, 1055, 1057, 1059, 1101, 1103. Give it a second to load. There we go. So right now it's saying it's 1103. Time's only 1102. So now it's 1103. It says it's 1104. Screen. If I go this one. Well, that's not working. All right. Anyways, something's up with the time. Uninstall Ninja using Revo uninstaller. So I uninstalled it one time. I had to uninstall it and reinstall it. Had some issues, but I didn't use I don't know that I've used the Revo uninstaller. And we did that update about a year ago. I had that big update. I thought that would have fixed it, but it didn't. Really, the time don't bother me 'cause I don't really look at it all that much. But whenever I'm trying to set up a bot or something, it throws it off a little bit. Still kind of holding around this support. Thought it was going to break it, hold below and dump. But the bulls are still there a little bit.
I'm back, but just coming in to say it doesn't make sense for me to stick around because I'm going to have to be, I think a month ago they released an update. I'm going to be tending to them for probably an hour or so, and then checking out with both streams running and I'm not on. It's kind of odd. So I think I'm just going to check out here. And guys, there is a link to Omnius's stream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chats ago at 11:01. So just click on that link in there. It'll take you right to his stream. So you can continue right where we left off. But for me, I'm going to check out. Omnius, we'll talk, I guess, tomorrow or tonight if you're in the stream and I'm streaming at night. And guys, thanks for showing up. I will see you either tonight streaming if I can. If not, tomorrow morning. Take care. Bye.
Later.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, outs lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that